In example 3, it reads that in the figure below, the right angles and lengths of the sides of two triangles are as shown. We should calculate the value of k. This is a WAEC question. This is the two triangles being joined together that we should calculate the value of k. Now you need to first of all to understand the question, and when you can relate both triangles, then you will be able to solve it. Now you will discover that if I should call this A, B, C, and D, when you consider triangle A, B, D, you will discover that the hypotenuse side of triangle ABD is equal to the hypotenuse side of triangle BCD, and this is the hypotenuse. So they both have BD being equal, and we have it that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is to say that BD squared is equal to K squared plus K squared when you consider triangle ABD. In triangle BCD, we also have it that BD squared is also equal to 7 squared plus 1 squared. So if BD squared is equal to this and BD squared is equal to this, I can therefore equate equation 1 and 2 together, since both of them are equal to BD squared, and that will give me my value of k. Now if you do that, equation 1 have it that 2k squared, because we have k squared plus k squared, gives us 2k squared. So 2k squared is equal to 7 squared plus 1 squared. Simplifying this further, you have 2k squared to be equal to 7 squared is 49 plus 1 squared is 1. So this gives us 2k squared is equal to 49 plus 1 is 50. And when you divide both sides by 2, this will cancel itself. You have k squared to be equal to 2 into itself is 1, 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1. This becomes 10, 2 into 10 is 5. That is to say that k squared is equal to 25. And when you find the square root of both sides, you have k to be equal to plus or minus square root of 25. And when you take the absolute value, square root of 25 is said to be equal to 5 centimeters. We have to take the absolute value because we are dealing with a distance, and you cannot have minus 5 because minus 5 is an imaginary number. So our value for k is equal to 5 centimeters. That brings us to the end of today's class. In today's class, we have been able to look at Pythagoras theorem, which gives us the relationship between the three sides of a right angled triangle, and we have been able to solve examples to enable us understand it better. The summary of it all is that when you have a problem that has to do with a right angle triangle, using any of these 4 equations should be able to give you the solution to what you are asked to find. So we have it that the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, or we say that the cosine of angle theta is equal to the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse side, while the sine theta is said to be the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse side, and the tangent of that angle is said to be the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. Thank you for being patient to the end of today's class. Your presence means a lot to us. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while we recommend that you subscribe to our channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also interact with me using the comment section on areas that are still difficult to you, while we recommend you to share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this project. You can also follow us on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher Maths, and also on TikTok as My Lesson Teacher. Thank you and do have a nice day. See you in our next class, where we shall be taking more exercises on Pythagoras theorem. Do have a nice day.